Alright, good evening, YouTube and internet friends. So, ngayon, meron akong bagong airgun. It's a tactical stainless hammer type PCP airgun. So, this is available, up for sale. Stainless to. Stainless yan. Yan. Pati hammer stainless, swing type or hammer type. Yan. Bali, this is pure stainless. Oh, kita mo, kumikinang. Pure stainless. Then itong lower receiver niya or yung grip niya is T6 alloy na. Naka DBB siya, 19 inches. Oh, by the way, caliber 22 ito. DBB with silencer. Naka carbon fiber tank. Medyo yung lamination ng kanyang carbon fiber ay luma na, so medyo nagka-crack-crack na, pero safe pa rin siya. Lamination lang naman yan. And then tactical folding butt na tan ang color. So yan. Tapos Discovery compact scope. So this is up for sale. Napakagandang tumama since it's a DBB, Davao brass barrel. And complete set ito. May kasamang scope, may kasamang pump, and regulated 1,800 PSI. So this is up for sale. Kontakin nyo lang ako sa number ko, ilalagay ko sa description. And napakaganda, compact siya, and magandang pang rat patrol kasi very handy. Kasi sa backpack, tanggalin mo lang yung silencer. So regulated to 1,800 PSI, mga 850 feet per second ang kanyang average muzzle velocity. So yun. By the way, adjustable ang kanyang buttstock. Na-extend to, tapos yung cheek rest niya, naangat mo siya. So up for sale guys. Kontakin nyo lang ako.